into magnet fishing. Got a couple of docks here. There's one over there. We'll hit that one in a little bit. We got Jerry Holly magnet fishing with us today.
Yes, ma'am.
He's gonna see if he can catch him some goodies. If you hadn't checked out Jerry's channel on YouTube, it's the Jerry Holly channel. I'll put a link down in the description for that. Find nothing. Oh, you got your first bottle cap.
Budweiser.
Yes.
King of beers.
That's awesome.
Oh, look at that. Crappie jig.
Fancy. Ooh.
Look at that, huh?
Bottle cap. Seagram's bottle cap. What's the bottle cap?
Yeah,
It's unlabeled.
Yeah. Well, at least it isn't Seagram's.
Fish hook.
Your first fish
Well,
hook.
I don't think it's even a fish hook. Just got something on the middle of it there.
A piece of a fish hook.
Yeah.
Good job.
Weight in a hook. Another fishing hook.
Oh yeah, there must be something there. I see bubbles. Are you still on it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at them bubbles. Oh, it's a chair.
That's an old canopy.
Oh, I don't have any gloves.
Come over here and hold it. I'll grab it.
Oh. Ooh, that's heavy. No, that's a chair.
Yep, that's a chair.
Oh my goodness. Well, there you go. That's the big catch of the day so far. That is nasty. Videotape military. Can't see him.
Oh, yeah.
I got your
Oh, you caught each other.
Oh, my magnet. What's up with that?
Oh, God.
7 at 500.
Oh, no. Hey, you caught a lure too. Good job.
Not hard to get that. I'll pull mine up with no sweat.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
you
was
got
a lot of
metal on there.
Yeah,
Look.
there's
a lot of
shells.
work for a bottle cap.
Yeah, there's something big down
Yeah.
there, and I'm pulling all the.
Pieces off
Yeah.
of it. What bottle cap did you get this time?
Budweiser King
Oh,
of beers.
yeah.
That's the Budweiser country.